So hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to be talking about the Godox Ad200 B2 adapter, which is this. We're going to be talking about what it is, the features and who it's for. So let's get into the video. So the B2 is a device that converts the Ad200 into a 400 watt-second power device by placing the bulbs that come with these into this device here. So with the Ad200, with the bare bulb attachment, this does come off. Comes off like that, easy attachment. If you have two, then what you can do is take the bulbs out from the unit. They just plop out. You then get the Ad200 as seen here, and you line the bulbs up and just slot them in like that. There we go. After you've done that, you just take one of the units of the Ad200, you slot them at the back, and they go in quite easily after they're lined up like so. I'll wait for it to focus. There we go. And you just get the second one like that, and it slots in. Don't know if you can see that, the back. So now you've got the two units attached like this. You can then just put it on a stand. So as you can see, once you've got it on a stand, I recommend a solid stand. You could then attach any Bowens mount to the unit. Like so. And now, instead of having a 200 watt-second power light, you have a 400 watt power light. And then you can take this rig outside, as long as it's sandbagged, and then you'll have more power in your light. So obviously, I'm in the studio, but when I take this outside, because it's battery operated, you can literally take it anywhere. So the question is, who is this light for? It's for anybody that has more than one Ad200. So you may be a wedding photographer, a portrait photographer. If you shoot outside and you need battery power lights, then this setup is ideal for that, because obviously you got two lights, the Ad200s. You can do a main light and a rim light, and then you can combine both of them to be outside. So as you can see, it's very versatile. So guys, we've come to the end of the video. Thanks for sticking with me. Do choose things that you might like, this video on this side. And if you like the video and you like the channel, please feel free to join the community and hit the subscribe button. In the meantime guys, whatever you're doing, happy shooting.